Okay, Paula, this is our activity that we did this morning. Okay, I want you to tell me which words. Well, tell me about this activity. Tell me the words you put under the G, and tell me the words you put under the T. Can you tell me what that is?
Mm-hmm.
What is that?
A foot.
Okay. What else? What's that?
What is that?
A gate.
Okay.
Okay.
And have food in it.
Mm-hmm. Okay, what else? What's that?
A goose.
Okay. What else? What's that?
A girl.
Okay. What else? What's that?
A game.
Okay, a game. What letter does game begin with? What's the beginning sound? Game.
G.
Okay, what else has the beginning sound t? What's that? Can you tell me what that is? What else has the beginning sound t? Do you remember what that is?
Mm-hmm.
What's that called? Okay, what else has the beginning sound t? It begins with the letter T. What's that?
The tie.
A tie. Good. What else? Can you tell me what begins with the letter G? The beginning sound g. What's that?
A present.
What else? Can you tell me something else that begins with the g? What's that?
A top.
Okay. What else? Can you tell me something else that begins with the letter G that has the beginning sound g?
That's all.
Okay.
Never forgot the go.
And what?
Let's forgot the go.
Goat.
Goat.
And what does the letter goat begin with?
Go.
And what letter is that?
G.
Good.